Right guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Mustang video. Well, we're back on this car and this time we're actually gonna start vinyl wrapping the whole car. All I can say is gonna be 3 different colors, but what color you'll see as we go. Right, so I did pull all the white body out except the skirts. I will keep them because it's gonna be easier to vinyl them like that, and I don't have to go with the vinyl under. That kind of covers everything. With the fenders, I pull them out. I think you see the line how it goes, because I do want to go with the vinyl somewhere here, and then when I put the fender back, it's gonna be somewhere there and you'll not see red. It's gonna look like the color it's original. But yeah, now I'm gonna have to take this car down, pull it out, wash it, bring it in, dry it, and then start vinyling. This side is done too. Another thing, I have to fill up these gaps before I do the vinyl. Over here, it's gonna be stronger. Well, it's still pretty strong, but yeah, I don't want no water, no rust, nothing inside, dirt or anything. All right, so this is the quarter panel. I did cover all the gaps, and before you judge me, this is gonna get covered. I know it doesn't look pretty, but it's pretty healthy. As you see, this is where the white body is gonna go and everything is gonna be covered. And basically I use a aluminum strap that runs this way with screws and caulking, and then I cut them, bend them against screws and caulking, so there is no gaps, nothing, no water goes inside, no dirt goes inside, and it's pretty solid and strong. Next step is to take her out, wash it really good, put it back inside, let it dry before you start working on the vinyl. But before anything, before even I get the key for the car, I do have to clean this garage. It's annoying. I was working on the Christmas lights. I mean, I'm not done. There is still a lot of them on the ground, but I gotta clean up. I need this car in the center, all the room around. And to clean up the garage, you guys know there is a solution for that. The easiest way to do this finger snap, and there it goes. Hold on. Okay, let me try again. Basically, that didn't work. Everything is still here. So I physically have to go pick up every little thing by hands and clean up myself because the finger doesn't work. It's broken. Alright, everything is nice and clean, and I promise I didn't just shovel everything behind the wall. I actually did organize everything. Alright, so the car is in the garage, all nice and clean. I'm gonna keep it for probably another day to dry really good, all the water to leak down. First, I'm gonna be pulling the door panel, mirror, the handle. Alright guys, so I do have 3 colors. I want to use all of them. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'll come up with a design as I go. They're all 3M. This is satin metallic purple, lime yellow, and then satin white. that's the rear bumper. I did find some scratches on the bumper. After I put the vinyl, all this is gonna show. Before I do the vinyl, I want to take care of that. Right guys, so the back and all that side, it's complete 100%. Now this is what's left: quarter panel door, fender, hood, front bumper, and of course the white body on this side. So still a lot more to go, but I'm moving and I'm moving slow. The front, I want to change a little bit. Basically everything is gonna be lime yellow, except I want to follow this line right here and do this part inside purple. Right guys, so this side is done, the front it's all done. What's left is this quarter panel over there and all the way here, and some extra designs on the door. So today we should be done and hit the streets. So what I like to do with my car is to take everything off. That way when I come with the vinyl, I go all the way inside, and then when I put this piece back, it's gonna be somewhere up to here, and it's gonna be a really good overlap. Same thing like I did on this side. I pulled this off, so the vinyl is running all the way there, and then when I put it back, you'll never see the red color. So I just clay barred this quarter panel, cleaned it with alcohol. I got my cutting tape right there, right here. That way when I cut it, I don't use a knife and cut through the paint. So this is ready to be wrapped. Right, so this trim around the window, it only comes out with the window, and I don't want to do that because it's too much work, and I peeled this corner for you guys to see it. All I do is cut it a little longer, and then I use two tuck tools. One is lifting, other one I push the vinyl inside, and I'll show you how it's done. I tuck it in really good. It's deep inside, so you'll never see the red. Right, so the car is finally done. I'm driving right now to pick up my boy. He's gonna film with a drone. And it's kind of sucks because it was raining yesterday. I mean, I love the raining, but yesterday it was raining. There is water on the street, so kind of sprays the car all over, and it's not gonna be as clean as I was expecting, but it's fine. It's gonna look good anyways. Right, there she is. I'm gonna film a little bit with my phone before we lift the drone up. Basically, I went with that 3M vinyl, lime yellow in the front, metallic purple in the back. And this car is adjustable. It goes up and down. I get a lot of comments, questions, how am I gonna go over the speed bumps. It's on airbags. I'll show you guys the panel they have inside to control the car. I did post a video earlier changing the seats. I went to 3-car seats. This is the panel. I control the car up and down. I have Alcantara on top. We did that too. So there's the car. Let me know how you like it. I think the color of the wheels matches pretty good, but that's in my opinion.